If you're looking to maximize your wealth and live like a boss, you're in the right place. I've got 10 killer tips that will help you achieve your financial goals and set you up for success. Tip number 1, set clear and specific financial goals. Without a clear goal in mind, it's hard to know what you're working towards. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve financially in 2023 and write it down. Tip number 2, create a budget. This may not be the most exciting tip, but it's essential. Knowing how much money you have coming in and going out is crucial for managing your finances and reaching your goals. Tip number 3, cut unnecessary expenses. Once you have a budget in place, take a look at your expenses and see where you can cut back. Small changes can add up and make a big difference in your financial situation. Tip number 4, increase your income. There are many ways to increase your income, from starting a side hustle to negotiating a raise at work. Find what works for you and take action. Tip number 5, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can mean many things, from taking a course to learning a new skill. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become and the more opportunities you'll have. Tip number 6, pay off debt. Debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Make a plan to pay off your debt as soon as possible and prioritize it over other expenses. Tip number 7, build an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind and help you avoid financial hardship in case of an unexpected expense. Tip number 8, save for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Tip number 9, surround yourself with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with people who have similar financial goals and habits can be motivating and help you stay on track. Tip number 10, celebrate your wins. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your financial wins along the way. Acknowledge your progress and be proud of yourself for the hard work you're putting in. So those are my 10 killer tips for maximizing your wealth and living like a boss in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.